always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning and it's my nephew's birthday, so this video is just basically going to be a get ready with me. I've been up really early because I've had to post my video on how to subscribe and how to translate subtitles on my video. So I've done that, I've been to the gym, and now I'm about to get ready. Today, I don't know what I'm going to wear yet, but I'm just going to take you along as well. So I've done my foundation as per normal, foundation, concealer. Now I'm about to get ready. So I'm going to be using my Zoeva palette today, which is the Caramel Melange. So I've got that as the base, and then I'm going to apply Almost Born, which is like a yellow goldy shade, and I'm going to just blend that in as well over the eyelids. I like really thick protruding eyebrows because the eyebrows basically are the frame of the face. Just to get it symmetrical is always difficult, but with my Sigma blending brush E36 I'm going to do the crease of my eye. I've just done my eyebrows and I'm going to use the color Liquid Center, which is this color here, and I'm going to apply it to the crease of my eye, and that's not covering the entire eye either. Into the corner of my eyes, just the white, just to make the eye pop. I'm using this purple color here just to give a little definition around the corners. With the same brush, just gently pat into the corner there and then swoop above. You just keep building these colors and then just work it in by blending. To use my Maybelline eyeliner for my waterline. This is basically turning out to be a smoky eye. So just under near the watermark, I've just smudged in the same dark sort of purple color to give that smoky look. So this is the classic liner, the Sigma 365, and I'm going to do a cat eye. Again, I'm probably going to have to use a small mirror because this is not an easy thing to do. Little dabs, little dab strokes. So I've done my eyes and now I'm going to just do a nude lip. I'm going to use the Velvet Lip Cream GRLBOSS on the top, and then I'm going to put my lashes on, and then I'm going to show you the outfit that I'm wearing. So I'll be back. So this is what I'm wearing: my Ralph Lauren coat, Ralph Lauren shirt, Calvin Klein jeans, Gucci pumps. So that's my look for the day. Thanks for getting ready with me, and now I'm about to leave. So if you enjoyed watching me getting ready this morning in a quick flash, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm already flustered and it's time for me to go. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.